दिल्ली में चिकन की दुकानें और रेस्टोरेंट में भी चिकन खाने पर रोक रहेगी।
Have you seen those chicken trucks? Absolutely filthy. Actually, 73% of India is non-vegetarian.
चिकन मटन को मार के खाने में ऐसा क्या फील आ रहा है, मजा आ रहा है कि यार नहीं मेरे को ये खाना है आज।
Even plants are have life. I don't understand this whole concept of veganism. There's a process on how to deal with meat. Meat is not a joke.
पूरे दिन चिकन 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 सुनते सुनते आपको बोर फील नहीं होता है?
I have been listening to chicken since I was born.
Okay.
Right? I come from a family of poultry farmers. My father is a first generation poultry farmer. Started his business about 60 years ago. And one of the oldest poultry farmers in the country.
ओल्डेस्ट
Yeah.
फॉर्म, पोलेट फॉर्म।
Correct.
सो आपको क्या लगता है कि फैक्ट्री फार्मिंग के खिलाफ क्यों है अपोजिशन, मतलब अपोजिट, मतलब क्यों बंद करते हैं?
Factory farming has got a very bad name.
राइट।
Correct? They think that if anything is factory farmed, हार्मोन्स दिया जाता है, स्टेरॉइड्स दिया जाता है, एंटीबायोटिक्स दिया जाता है. दिस इज एक्चुअली नॉट ट्रू एट ऑल.
ओके।
Okay, so we do farming, which is, I think it is wrongly called as factory farming, and it's got a bad name. But if you don't have standards in farming, how will you be able to produce for 9 billion people?
Right.
It's very difficult, right? So, but how each individual farmer treats the farm and the animals in that makes a huge difference.
मुझे यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन आ रहा है कि एक वो मैं सुनता था देसी अंडा और एक वाइट अंडा,
Yeah.
उस पे एक्चुअली डिफरेंस क्या होता है?
See, I think there's a lot of confusion in the market regarding country chicken, country eggs, and farm bread.
क्या होता है ये
See,
सब?
the thing is, there are chickens running around, in the backyard, in some homes, in some small farms, etc. Then lay some eggs, right? You don't know what nutrition has gone in, because the nutrition value of your egg depends on what the chicken has eaten, right? What you eat is what comes out as an egg.
Right.
So garbage in, garbage out.
ओके
Good food in, good nutrition out.
ओके।
Right? So in our farms, what we do is we feed them great quality nutrition.
बट मैंने तो ऐसा सुना था कि जब मुर्गी सेक्स करती है तब एक अंडा होता है, वो एक देसी अंडा होता है, और
Yeah.
जब खाती है तब एक अंडा आता है, वो एक नकली अंडा होता है, ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
No. Actually, this is all a lot of confusion.
हाँ।
See, there are two types of birds. Every hen lays an egg. Okay? A egg laying bird is called a layer. A meat producing bird is called a broiler.
ओके।
Okay? There are two different breeds. जैसे कि आप कुत्ते में different breed होते हैं ना. Pomeranian इतना छोटा होता है, सेंट बर्नार्ड उतना बड़ा होता है. Like that, there are two different breeds.
ओके।
So लेयर का अंडा जो होता है वो unfertilized होता है.
अनफर्टिलाइज्ड।
Unfertilized. Because what is the egg? It is the ovulation cycle of a hen.
हाँ।
Okay? So 2 to 3 days is the ovulation cycle of a hen. And when the hen ovulates, it will naturally put out an egg.
ओके।
That's all it is. So there is country birds are birds that are running around unsupervised, no good nutrition. They're running around in the backyard. We don't know what they're eating,
राइट।
right? So the nutrition content in a country egg is actually not guaranteed.
नॉट गारंटीड।
Not guaranteed. So if you actually took that and tested against a farm-grown egg, you'll see a difference. You'll absolutely see a difference.
So-
Because garbage in, garbage out, सुना है ना?
हाँ बिल्कुल सुना है। तो दोनों के न्यूट्रिशन में बहुत फर्क आ जाता है, तो मतलब अगर मेरे को घर पे पता करना हो तो आई कैन आई?
You can't make out because the egg composition will be similar. There's a yolk and an albumin. Beyond that, देखने में पता नहीं चलता है.
तो फिर मैं कैसे मतलब एंड यूजर में कैसे खरीदूँ उसको?
See, as an end user, you have to learn about the company from whom you're buying meat
ओके।
or your eggs, right? Somebody who aligns with your philosophy. In our case, I started Nandu's. The reason I started Nandu's, I'll tell you. We were producing all the chicken. We are selling in the B2B market. Nandu's brand ही नहीं था. 2016 तक we were not selling any of our chicken. जो भी chicken हम बेचते थे, traders को दे देते थे. Traders जाके butcher shop को दे देते थे. In my household, I had to go to a butcher shop to buy the chicken. After producing so many chicken, right? What chicken I'm buying from the butcher shop, I don't know. I don't know where it is coming from, what nutrition it has had. Have you seen those chicken trucks?
राइट
Absolutely filthy,
Right.
right? उसको ट्रक को धोया भी नहीं जाता.
नहीं होते बिल्कुल.
Correct? When they pick up the birds and put it in the truck, it's almost immediately guaranteed to get sick because there's so much viral load in that truck. Scientifically, if you were to do, the truck has to be washed after loading every time. वो होता नहीं है.
नहीं करते हैं.
So the supply chain, the way it works is trucks will pick up birds from farms. It will give it to the butcher shop. People think that what you buy from the butcher shop is fresh.
उनको ऐसा लगता है वहाँ कहीं से लेके आ जाते हैं बुचर शॉप वाला एंड दे सेल इट.
Correct. So the butcher is getting from tens of different farms. Every day there's one different quality or, we don't know the health of, there's no traceability. Absolutely no traceability. Right? But people think that if the bird is alive and I pick that bird, then it is fresh.
मतलब मैं सामने कटवाऊंगा तो अच्छा रहेगा.
Consumers have to pay a lot of attention to that.
Okay.
वो कैसा कट करता है उसको, there's a process on how to deal with meat. Meat is not a joke. It has to be dealt very scientifically, very hygienically, because once you consume it, it's going to really affect your health, right? So if you observe a butcher shop, are you happy with the way the butcher shop is run?
No.
What happens in the butcher shop? It is gory, right? देखा नहीं जाता.
नहीं देख सकते आप.
So this was where I was actually buying too. And then I said, man, I'm producing so much. If I don't feed my own family, what am I doing?
तो अब इसमें एक बात होती है, लैब ग्रोन मीट भी बन रहा है आजकल की. भैया लैब में मीट बना रहे हैं, चिकन बना रहे हैं, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
तो उससे और आपके बिजनेस में कोई इम्पैक्ट है, मतलब या फिर वो ज़्यादा अच्छा है या आपका चिकन ज़्यादा अच्छा है?
No, see, this lab-grown meat is an emerging field, right? There is no viability of lab-grown meat yet. If you look at companies like Beyond Meat and all that, 5 years or so ago, they were very hopeful about doing it. But the problem is there are technology barriers. It is very expensive. A country like India cannot produce a kg of meat at several thousand rupees. People can't afford.
Right.
We are a mass premium market. We need good quality, hygienic meat produced at an affordable price, right? So lab-grown meat is not there yet, right? It may happen in the next 15, 20 years. I'm sure technology, there'll be breakthroughs in technology to get you there.
Right.
It will happen.
Right.
And I'm hopeful that happens actually, right? Because, lab-grown meat is nothing but cell multiplication. That's all it is.
राइट. मीट खाने से बहुत क्रॉनिकल डिसीज भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है. विराट कोहली का एक आया था स्टेटमेंट कि भैया मैंने मीट खाना बंद कर दिया बिकॉज डॉक्टर ने मुझे बोला कि आपकी बॉडी सपोर्ट नहीं कर रही है.
Yeah.
और इंडिया में सबको ऐसा हो रहा है मीट खाने से. तो आप क्या सोचते हो उस बारे में?
My belief is everybody's body is different, right? Some people cannot digest protein, animal protein. Some people cannot digest plant protein, right? जो भी वो ट्रेंड है अभी, वो plant protein वाला ट्रेंड.
Right.
Problem with that is, it is not suitable for everybody, right? I can't digest plant protein because, it is uber gross. So everybody's body profile is different. But generally, scientifically, if you speak about it, meat has a complete amino acid profile. It is a great source of protein. And I'm not saying this because I'm a producer and I'm trying to sell you meat. I'm scientifically saying that meat is a great source of protein. In fact, most Indians are protein deficient. Protein is a building block of your body. You need it. You can get protein out of vegetable sources. You can get it out of meat sources. But protein is a must.
Right.
But what you get out of plant sources, you need to consume a lot more when you compare to meat. Right? Meat is high protein with a complete amino acid profile.
बट प्रोटीन नहीं फील आ जाता ना, फिर फील का क्या करें? फीलिंग आ जाता नहीं खाने है ऐसा कुछ करके.
You see, that is fine. That we have to respect that, right? People, people का जो food choices होता है, we have to respect that. Everybody can choose either to eat veg or non-veg. But whatever you eat, my recommendation is please ensure that you are eating a wholesome meal with complete nutrition.
नहीं, बट मेरे को ऐसा लगता है जैसे इंसान होना इट्स ए फीलिंग्स. ठीक है, अब ऐसा लगता है कि वो जानवर को मार दिया, उसको कैसे खाएंगे मार के। तो अभी मेरी डॉटर है, अब उसके साथ में एक फ्रेंड है, तो चिकन खा रही थी, तो मेरी डॉटर ने ट्राई किया कि यार मैं ट्राई कर सकती हूँ पापा। मैंने कहा हाँ ट्राई कर ले, इफ़ यू लाइक इट यू विल ईट इट, मेरे को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। शी हैज़ डन इट। फिर उसको फील आया कि यार पापा दिस इज चिकन लाइव बर्ड आई एम ईटिंग।
Yeah.
शी इज 7-8 year old। तो उसने बोला नहीं नहीं नहीं, आई विल नॉट ईट इट और यू विल ऑल्सो नॉट ईट इट। मैं तो नहीं खाता हूँ, तुम ही मत खा रहा अभी। तो द फील थिंग इज देयर ना इंडियन की मेंटेलिटी में।
Yeah.
तो इज इट देयर और ये सब मर चुका है एक्चुअली?
No, I think it's okay to have that feeling.
हाँ
Right? It takes all kinds of people to make the planet.
right.
Correct? Somebody once asked me the same question. Right? Frankly, they asked me how I can live with myself.
Right.
But I don't have my answer to that is quite simple. There's people who are consuming it. They are not getting the right quality. I have the ability to produce good quality without chemicals, without steroids, without antibiotics. Why can't I do that? And that's how Nandu's began. My motivation, see, we are a full stack company. Feed milling, breeding, hatcheries, broiler farming, processing and retailing. Until 2018, we were not retailing. We were only growing the broilers. That's the meat world.
वाइट कलर का जो आता है।
Huh. All farm bred chicken are white. And they're because they're a breed. See, just because they are white color doesn't mean that it's bad.
अच्छा।
It's a breed, right? Like in dogs, you have dogs of different colors. So going back to that example of Pomeranian and Saint Bernard. Saint Bernard will become 60 kgs in a few months. Your Pomeranian will become some 10-12 kgs throughout its life. Now, इसको injection दिया है क्या?
नहीं दिया है।
नहीं दिया है. Why? Because the breed is different. They're completely different.
तो खाना कौन सा चाहिए?
Well, broilers are what you're supposed to eat, according to me. I feel broilers are what you're supposed to eat from the right source, right? So that is where one has to understand which company am I buying from. Please ask questions. Ask if you're going to a butcher shop, ask him where he's getting the chicken from. If you're buying from a brand, ask them how they produce their meat. You as a consumer have the right to ask. Once you ask, you're keeping them to a certain standard. You're questioning them. Then unka bhi interest badega. They'll also feel responsible that you're not going to just take whatever I give you, right?
सो डॉक्टर ने भी मुझे भी ये बोला था कि आपका विटामिन B12 कम है, सो आप चिकन मटन मीट नहीं खाते हो, इस वजह से कम है। और वेजिटेरियंस के अंदर ये 100% कम रहता है। अगर आप ये वाला प्रोटीन सोर्स नहीं लेते हो तो आपको B12 के इंजेक्शन लगते हैं आने वाले टाइम पे।
So in fact, you're absolutely right. Indians are deficient in two things, majorly. Vitamin B12 and D3.
Right.
D3 because we don't step out in the sun as much as we used to do earlier.
Right.
So we are all becoming D3 deficient. And that has got other problems, calcium absorption, so many other problems.
Right.
B12 is very important for neurological function.
हाँ
B12 प्लांट सोर्सेस में B12 कम होते हैं.
बिल्कुल नहीं होता उसमें।
Okay, प्रोटीन भी कम होता है प्लांट सोर्सेस में, B12 भी कम होते हैं. See, that is why I was telling you, the amino acid profile, it's not complete nutrition. That is the problem. So therefore, you would need to supplement it. So I've had my friends' family who are pure vegetarians. They had this problem, and they had to start consuming eggs. And they didn't even know the difference between a fertile egg and a table egg. Oh, jab, the chickens cross, अंडा becomes fertile. उसमें embryo होती है, red dot. जो भी एग में red dot होती है ना, वो fertilized egg है.
एक अंडे में रेड डॉट दिखता है अपन को से.
That is a fertilized egg.
Okay.
If the egg is fertilized, if the hen on the cock have crossed and the egg is an outcome of that, that will most likely have an embryo in it. वो embryo red dot जैसा दिखती है. 21 days में वो chick बन जाती है.
अच्छा.
ठीक है? That is called a hatching egg. Then you have the layer egg, जिसमें fertilization नहीं होती है. I told you about egg being the ovulation cycle of a chicken, of a hen. There will be no, if it is not crossed, where is the embryo? There's no embryo there. So it's actually just an egg
Just an egg.
without any life in it, right? So that is called as a table egg.
So that is a non-vegetarian. Sorry,
That's a
this is a vegetarian, like
The vegetarian.
almost vegetarian.
I don't know whether you can call it a vegetarian or non-vegetarian, but it's an animal source, but it is unfertilized.
Unfertilized.
It is उसमें कुछ जान नहीं होती है. So that is what we consume. जो भी अंडे आप खाते हैं ना, 6-7 rupees or 10 rupees, 12 rupees, whatever egg you buy, what we call as a table egg, उसमें embryo नहीं होती है,
जान नहीं होता है.
जान नहीं होती. Okay, but all the nutrition is there. The egg white contains 6 grams of protein, and the yellow जो होती है ना, that is the biggest problem here. Everybody thinks yellow cholesterol. Yellow खा लिया तो heart attack हो जाएगा. That's all very, very wrong.
येलो पार्ट में क्या होता है उसमें?
Yellow has got, it is the source of all nutrition. Okay, yellow जो है, let me ask you this question. जब yellow embryo जो होती है ना, किधर होती है? Yellow में, yellow के अंदर होती है ना. The embryo develops by consuming the yellow. So when the yellow can give life, how can it affect you? Tell me that. People, they say, it's become a fad. I want egg white omelets. There's no nutrition at all. There's only protein in that. There's no nutrition. Please do not throw away the yellow. But at the same time, don't overeat also. Okay?
अच्छा, पोल्ट्री फार्म के जो मुर्गी के बारे में बता रहे हो, जो बहुत सारे मिथ है, आपको क्या क्या मिथ पता है और जो लोगों को छोड़ देने चाहिए ऐसे मिथ? ऐसे कौन कौन से मिथ है?
फर्स्ट, एग में जो योक होती है ना, उनको फेंकिए मत. प्लीज कंज्यूम इट. एग वाइट ऑमलेट्स छोड़ दो, पूरा अंडा का ऑमलेट खाओ.
पूरा अंडे का ऑमलेट खाओ.
Yeah, absolutely. Boiled eggs or omelette, whatever you do, consume the whole egg. Do not, because it's a great combination of protein and microminerals, nutrients, vitamins, everything.
Okay.
When life can come out of that egg, how can it harm you? That never gonna happen.
पर आपने बोला ना कि उसके अंदर वो जान नहीं होता है.
हाँ.
तो फिर कैसे लाए?
Table eggs में जान नहीं होती.
टेबल एग्स में जान नहीं.
So the fertile eggs will never come to market.
अच्छा, नहीं आएगा वो.
नहीं, वो हम लोग उनको हैचरी में लगा के मुर्गी बना.
और आ गया तो हमने खा लिया तो गलती से आ गया और हम खा लिए तो.
No, it will take 21 days to hatch, and then once you have broken the egg, where is the embryo?
मतलब ऐसा कोई पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है कि
There's no such possibility.
हाँ.
These are all confusions and fear mongering. लोगों में डर फैलाते हैं ना लोग. That is the problem.
Okay.
Even if even in sometimes, even in a table egg, sometimes, rarely, there might be a red dot. Doesn't mean that it is fertilized. Okay. And if you make an omelette out of it, nothing ever happens. It doesn't go into your stomach and become a chicken.
Okay.
Okay. Nothing of that sort will happen.
This is the first myth. The second one, any other thing?
Second is farm grown chicken is, they give steroids, hormones, chemicals, all those things. That's completely untrue, right? Hormones and steroids on behalf of the poultry industry, we have been in the poultry industry for a long time. It never happens. It is practically not feasible, financially not viable. Because when you're producing millions of chicken, you can't sit there and inject them with hormones and steroids.
Right.
It's impossible. Okay. The reason why they grow big is because of the breed.
Oh.
It's simple. I'm producing 1 million birds a month, right? I'm not injecting any hormones and steroids. You know what I'm doing? The secret of good quality meat at Nandu's is very simple. Traceability. We focus on the nutrition. We focus on the chick health. We give it great ambience, great environment, great care to make it a bird. Once it is a full grown bird ready for harvesting, we'll very scientifically process it in a hygienic facility. We don't slaughter chicken in our outlets. We transport the chicken from our farms to the state-of-the-art slaughterhouse, where it is cleaned up very scientifically. And in fact, meat should never be at room temperature. That's the next myth I want.
अच्छा ये बताओ आप
See, people,
थर्ड वन
that's the third myth, right? People think if the chicken is chilled,
चिल्ड चिल्ड मतलब ठंडा होना चाहिए
if it is thanda, fresh nahi hai.
अच्छा
Actually, that is wrong. Meat should never be at room temperature.
ओहो
If meat is at room temperature, then it is already spoiling. I'll give you an example. खाने को आप खुला छोड़ दो. What happens?
वो सड़ने लग जाएगा खराब हो जाएगा हाँ
Why does it happen? Because when left in open environment, bacteria will multiply like crazy and the food will go bad. Same thing with the meat.
Right.
Meat is even worse. Bacteria love meat and they multiply multifold. So you can never leave it in the open. So in your butcher shop, if you see the chicken hanging, it's already decayed.
बहुत सारे जगह पे तो ऐसे ही होता है मतलब वो मैं देखता था जब मैं रहता था लोगों के साथ में सो वो लाते थे उसको ठंडे पानी में धो के थोड़ी देर बाहर रख देते थे बोला इसको बाहर रहने दो थोड़ा ठंडे पानी में मस्त अच्छा होएगा रूम टेम्परेचर पे फिर पकाएंगे इसको
Yeah. See, all that is all these blind practices. Not required. Meat has to be handled until you cook. Meat should be in the range of 0 to 4 degrees centigrade.
Oh.
If it is anything more than that, it is actually not good to consume. So this whole concept of chilled meat, fresh and frozen, consumer is completely confused. Chilled में क्या होता है? It's freshly slaughtered, but it is chilled so that the shelf life is up to 5 days. If the meat is kept in the refrigerator between 0 to 5, you can actually store it for up to 5 days.
5 days
5 days, there's no problem. Then there is frozen. So आपके refrigerator में 2 section होते हैं. One is a chilled section, one is a freezer section. So if you keep anything in the freezer, क्या होता है? Solid हो जाता है.
सॉरी हो जाएगा
That is frozen. If you keep it in the bottom section where you have the refrigerator, that is chilled. Then there is I don't call that fresh. Whatever you get from the butcher shop, I will not call that fresh. That is live.
Okay, that is live.
Live, chilled, frozen. So the best way to consume is chilled.
Okay.
Live, you don't know the hygienic levels of how the meat has been handled. It's always a risk.
Right.
Plus, you don't know the source of the meat. So all of these issues.
पैक्ड मीट का क्या मतलब दिस पैक्ड मीट जो आ रहा है दिस इज फ्रोजन वाला
Yeah.
व्हाट इज दैट
So I don't think India is a market for frozen chicken. India is a market for frozen value-added products. Okay. So जो आप बोल रहे हैं ना fresh meat के बारे में बोल रहे हैं कि या are you talking about value-added products?
वैल्यू एडेड प्रोडक्ट
So value-added products जो होते हैं, it comes in multiple different forms, right? One is ready to cook होता है, ready to heat and eat होते हैं, or semi-cooked and what you can add a little more and finish it off, right? And cold cuts. So several different varieties में आते हैं. So when it comes to ready to cook, it could be things like burgers, nuggets, then chicken strips, जो भी KFC में खाते हैं ना. So what we do is we produce items like that,
ओके
semi-cook it, and we freeze it.
अच्छा
Freezing is the best form of preservation. See, there's another myth here. People think that anything that is frozen, preservatives and chemicals रहते हैं उसमें.
हाँ
It's completely untrue.
ओके
It's completely untrue. So if you go back a few hundred years ago, how did you preserve meat? Let's say take in Europe, right? How did they preserve meat a few hundred years in? They just hung it out in the open, right? Because of the temperature, the meat froze.
अच्छा
And that's how they preserved it. So freezing is a very scientific methodology of preserving any food.
उसमें कोई अपन केमिकल नहीं मिला रहे कुछ नहीं कर रहे
Nothing at all. So at Nandu's, we produce close to about 35 value-added products, right? These include nuggets, burger patties, chicken strips, chicken popcorn. Then we also have things like chettinad chicken, chicken 65. So these items, the nuggets and all of that, they are ready to fry, ready to cook. So we have semi-cooked it, we have blast frozen it. So the process of blast freezing, the way it happens is you semi-cook the product and you immediately take it into the deep freezer.
राइट
and this is called a blast freezer. So blast freezer में जो होती है ना, we draw the temperature down to -40. एक room होता है बड़ा सा, उसमें we have freezing equipment that will take the room temperature down to -40.
Okay.
We will keep the product in that blast freezer for up to 6 to 8 hours. At that time, what happens is the core temperature. If you cut open the product and go to the middle of the product, the temperature will be -40. At that temperature, all the bacterial activity stops.
Okay.
That's how you get the preservation.
अगर आप 4.3 मिलियन चिकन एवरी मंथ कर रहे हो, मतलब प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हो,
Yeah.
तो आपके स्टैटिस्टिक्स क्या बोलते हैं कि इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा पीस कौन सा खाया जाता है चिकन में? सबसे मोस्ट कंज्यूमिंग पार्ट कौन सा है? दिल, फेफड़े, गुर्दा, क्या है?
No, I think the most consumed is boiled chicken, curry cut.
करी कट.
Curry cut. So we are a nation that doesn't waste anything. We consume the whole thing.
नहीं, फिर भी मतलब आपसे जब शॉप पे जब बाय करने आते होंगे ना, कुछ बोलते स्पेसिफिक मांगते होंगे, कुछ फ्लेक्सीज है तो
Yeah. So, I mean, most consumers, households, they are very familiar cooking curries or gravies, which consume all parts of the chicken. Then there are consumers who are actually going to the gym. They want lean protein. Lean protein किधर से निकलता है? From the breast.
अच्छा.
So there's no fat. Okay? Chicken has fat, like you and me. Chicken also has fat. There are portions of the chicken which has some fat. There are portions where there is no fat. So your breast portion has very little fat. So for somebody looking for a pure protein, somebody who is working out, gym, and on a certain diet or a athlete, these guys, they prefer to have lean protein. And lean protein किधर से निकलता है? Breast से निकलता है.
Okay.
So breast is consumed by such people. Some people, like restaurants and hotels, they like thigh piece because उसमें meat भी होता है, muscle भी होता है और थोड़ा fat भी होता है.
Okay.
So it is easy for them to cook, right? जो भी कबाब आप खाते हो ना रेस्टोरेंट में, वो सभी थाई बोनलेस से बनता है.
बहुत सारे लोग ये बोल रहे हैं कि चिकन को जब मारा जाता है तो चिकन एक लाइव है, लाइव एनिमल टाइप उसको भाग रहे हैं, सब्जियों को काटते तो भागता नहीं है, मतलब ऐसा चलता है. तो इसमें आपके क्या सेंटिमेंट्स है कि वेजिटेरियन को काटा जाता है तो देयर इज नो सेंटिमेंट्स कि वेजिटेरियन को काट दिया, और मुर्गे को या फिर किसी लाइव को काटा जाता है तो उसको काट दिया, वो भागता है, बचाता है, चीखता है, चिल्लाता है अपने आप में. तो देयर इज सेंटिमेंट्स लाइक व्हाट यू थिंक अबाउट इट?
Hard.
Not just business perspective, but as an emotional thing.
It's hard to answer that question because I mean I don't believe plants are lifeless. Yeah, I think even plants are have life, right? Otherwise they won't be growing. How do plants become from a seed to a sapling to a full-grown plant, right? There's life in that also.
तो आपको अभी क्या लगता है कि जो भी वैसे भी 73% तो आपने बोल ही दिया है कि लोग नॉन वेजिटेरियन है, बट एक वीगन वर्ड बहुत चल रहा है अभी.
Yeah.
Is it also a myth or true?
I don't know. I mean, like, if you ask me, just eat what your ancestors ate. हम लोग ना food को बहुत complicate कर.
सही में कर रहे हैं.
Okay, we are complicating food here. There's no need. Our ancestors knew how to eat. Rice was okay. They also ate rice. Now they also ate sabji. They also ate ghee. They also ate meat. They did everything. They were quite healthy. I don't understand this whole concept of veganism per se. It's people's choices, right? Some people don't want to consume animal sources. Even दूध भी नहीं पीते because it's from animal source, right? But it's one's own choices, right?
सर एक छोटा सी रैपिड फायर है, 5 क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगा
Sure.
आपसे. पहले क्या आया, चिकन या एग?
Since I sell a lot of chicken, I think it is chicken.
बिना अपना नेटवर्थ बताए अपना नेटवर्थ बताओ.
I've had the privilege of creating Nandus.
नंदूस के अलावा आपका कोई फेवरेट मीट कंपनी या फिर उसका कोई अल्टरनेटिव आपको पसंद?
I think that's a hard question to answer because in the last 7 years, what has happened to meat retailing is absolutely fantastic.
Hmm.
And all of the companies that have contributed to making this happen have done a phenomenal job. So I will not take names, but there are a few companies that everybody knows.
Yeah.
And all of these companies have done a phenomenal job. And collectively, the whole meat industry has seen a revolutionary change
Hmm.
in the last 7-8 years because of these few brands, which is a good thing for the consumer, right?
आपका फेवरेट क्या है, चिकन, मटन या फिश?
It has to be chicken.
लीशियस के बारे में आप कुछ बता पाओगे क्या, मतलब इंटीरियर कॉम्पिट, क्योंकि वो बहुत फास्ट ग्रो किए हैं
Yeah.
एंड मतलब अपना अगर अपन देखा जाए तो मेरे को कंपैरिजन नहीं पता, बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग एज ए मार्केटर
sure.
कि वो बहुत फास्ट ग्रो कर रहे हैं.
Correct.
आर दे गुड ब्रांड और व्हाट?
No, I think, like I said, all of these brands, whether it's Licious, Fresh to Home, or Nandu's, all of us have established a new way of, accessing good quality meat. And that has actually changed the entire market.
राइट. हाँ.
Right. Prior to this, the only option consumer had was to go to the butcher shop. But collectively, as an industry, these companies have made a phenomenal change. I think Licious is a great company.
Right.
They have done a phenomenal job at educating the consumer,
Right.
bringing awareness to the whole meat industry. But if you actually look at the comparisons, we are a truly farm-to-fork company,
Right.
which is we own the entire supply chain. And there's no other meat company in the country today which owns the entire supply chain and still does meat retail.
बट आपकी जो रेटिंग है अभी, अगर गूगल पे देखा जाए 3 स्टार रेटिंग आ रही है, क्यों? व्हाई इट इज
Well,
रेगुलर हेटिंग और व्हाई दे आर डूइंग इट इंटेंशनली?
yeah. No, look, like I said, I'm bootstrapped. Okay. My focus is not on, my focus is basically on getting great quality to the end consumer.
राइट.
If you look at our rating offline, let us say, if you really look at the real rating of how many times the consumer comes to your store, our repeats are 74%.
74% रिपीट.
Yeah.
सो अभी कितने रिटेल आउटलेट है अपने बैंगलोर?
We have 45.
45. और पर रिटेल आउटलेट कितना इनकम हो जाता है एक रिटेल वाले का?
It depends.
इट्स ए फ्रेंचाइजी मॉडल और
No.
इट्स योर ओन
Yeah.
कंपनी ओन? ओके.
So we own all of the retail outlets in Bangalore. We have 45 retail outlets in Bangalore, and we have opened 2 retail outlets in Hyderabad. And we have just announced franchising. We will franchise, and we plan to establish another 25 outlets in Bangalore. And in terms of revenues, it depends on the location of the retail outlets, the size and the assortment of the meats and the products.
तो अभी आपके जो कंपनी की करंट सीईओ आप है, आपके सन है?
I'm not the CEO. I'm the chief farmer.
अच्छा.
No,
Right.
I think CEO is just a title.
It's just a title for it.
All I do is organize everything so that the people and the team have an environment where they perform at their best.
Right.
That's typically what a CEO does, right? We do a lot of organizing and creating an environment where people can give their best.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for coming in this show and
Wonderful talking to you.
मजा आया आपसे बात करके. I have asked
My
so many
pleasure.
questions. I hope you like the questions and
No, good questions. Some you put me on the spot.